Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Zoofari pet grooming set. Glossy fur and groomed paws for your four-legged friend. Pet hair trimmer with a 4 attachment for 3, 6, 9, 12 millimeters length. Play, sleep, groom, exercise it. 3 years warranty. You can see what is included inside. Of course, we're going to open it to see what we've got one by one. Let's see what we have inside. We've got some manual, of course. If you want to read it, it's your choice. Stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Nice, lovely case, very durable to protect your precious product for the grooming of your pet. And there we are. Many things, and it costs only 20 euros. Now here we've got the pet hair clipper with the main cable, 4 attachment cubs, 3 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 9 millimeters and 12 millimeters. And we have 1 bottle of a blade oil. Nice. Here we can see 1 blade protective cover. It's quite sharp. It's not an ordinary hair cutter like we are using into our hair. It's different because this is made for pets. We've got 1 cleaning brush to clean your main unit. We have 1 pet hair brush. Nice. You can brush your dog, your cat. We have 1 glow clipper with a protective. You can cut the nails of your dog, of your cat, and whatever other animal you've got, you can lock it. Nice. We've got 1 glow file. Again, this is for the nails, to trim the nails. And we've got 1 fur comb. Again, this is for the hair of your dog or your cat. And last, we've got 1 scissor, stainless steel, cuts very nice. Nice and lovely case. Carry on wherever you go when you're traveling, on camping with your dog. Why not? You may need it to use it with your dog. Of course, this is only powered by 220. That's why you need this power, or of course you can use the other accessories for your dog when you are outside. Well, let's plug it in to see how it sounds. There we've got the on-off switch. It sounds very low noise, not something loud. Nice. And here you can adjust all the knob adjustment, and it locks very easy. Here we've got a high quality stainless steel blade with a variable cutting head, and inside we've got a powerful pivot motor, easily trims even a heavy or dense cords. Nice. Well, that was all, guys. If you need something like that, as I said, it costs 20 euros, and I'm sure it's a very good price for your lovely dog, cat, and what other pet you've got. And because you love them so much, you need to treat them with love, and that's for, I'm sure you will glad to have these accessories to make your dog or your pet very happy and beautiful. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.